Hi, welcome to JSR Homes. This is 2 bedroom. It's a new flat andi. This is children bedroom with cupboards untunnai and attached toilet, western toilet and geyser undi. This is dining area. It's a modular kitchen with cupboards and wash area undi. This is master bedroom with full ventilation undi and with cupboards unnai and western toilet and geyser available undi and big balcony undi. Chala posh locality lo undi, Mahindra Hills.